Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying, right? I have to remind you, I am Rai Majumdar, Rai ma'am. I will teach you English, right? And I am sure you had gone through that previous video. The name of the chapter, Venus New Idea, chapter 3. And she was full of that ideas, that also you know. If you have any idea, you can share with your sister, your parents, right? Don't keep it within you, right? Just try to come it out. Okay, so same the chapter Venus New Idea, writer, don't forget Asha Nehemiah. Characters will come to know. There are characters like Veena. Veena, she was 9 years old girl, 9 years old or 9-year-old. Aunt Malu, Veena's aunt. Mr. Seshadri, Veena's father and Aunt Malu's older brother. Okay? Veena was always having new ideas. She shared her new ideas with her Aunt Malu. Aunt Malu shouldn't have refused her niece's ideas. Trying out her new ideas always landed in trouble. I told you that as she was Aunt Malu's niece, तो niece की बात तो थोड़ा बहुत तो मानना पड़ेगा. जैसे वो आंटी है तो हम भी कभी कभी किसी के आइडिया फॉलो करते, कोई हमें रिक्वेस्ट करते तभी भी हम सुनते हैं. तो Aunt Malu also never said no to her, tried many ideas of Veena as she was her niece, भाई के लड़की. ठीक है, उनके जो भाई है, बड़े ब्रदर जो है, ओल्डर ब्रदर, मिस्टर Seshadri's daughter. Clear? She was knowing she faced problems or she always landed in trouble, then also she followed her ideas. One plan was wonderful, that was keeping wounded animals as pets. So once she shared कि we can keep wounded animals as our pets, जो hurt हो चुके हैं, किसी के पैर टूट गए, wings broken, like that animals we can keep at home or as pets. That was wonderful idea to her. Aunt Malu accepted that and she was very happy with that idea. And because as these animals will get shelter and food and will be taken care by them, so because of that Aunt Malu accepted that idea and she said it was wonderful idea. Aunt Malu couldn't decide the pet animals she adopted which one was troubling the most, the lame mongoose or the myna with broken wing. So she adopted as Veena's ideas was there कि we can keep, or she advised to her you can keep, you can adopt, ले सकते हो. Adopt means गोद में लेना, मतलब किसी को ऐसे अपना बना के लेना. तो उन्होंने 2 चीज़ लिए थे. एक तो उन्होंने लिया था एक मैना, चिड़िया. देखो सी आई केप्ट वन पिक ओवर देयर, जिसके एक विंग ब्रोकन था, टूटा हुआ था. एंड अनदर वन वाज अ मंगूस, जिसके एक पैर ब्रोकन था. ब्रोकन इन द सेंस चल नहीं पा रहा था, एक पैर खराब हो चुका था, कट गया था या ब्रेक हो चुका था. तो शी adopted one मैना with broken wing and one mongoose with a leg broken like that. Okay, so lame mongoose. But she was not knowing ये दोनों में से कौन मुझे ज़्यादा तंग करता था, किससे ज़्यादा परेशान थी, उनको ये नहीं पता था. शी आइडिया वॉज गुड but she was not able to decide the pet animals she adopted which one was troubling the most, the lame mongoose or the myna with broken wing. But क्यों उनको ऐसा क्यों लगा था वो भी देखो. Aunt Malu was tired of rushing towards the doorbell buzzing, telephone ringing and pressure cooker whistling. As the myna was able to imitate all these sounds, and Malu got tired stopping the mongoose as it always steal food from the kitchen from their neighbor. So interesting. It's very interesting, no? The myna, it can imitate doorbell buzzing, telephone ringing and pressure cooker whistling. So why she was tired rushing or running towards this? Because she was not able to know whether this is actual or not. Because doorbell का वो जब आवाज़ बजिंग साउंड करती थी वो चिड़िया, तो आंटी को लगा, वो आंट को लगा हाँ कोई घर पे आए हैं, तो भागना शुरू कर देती थी. जब भी तभी वो बजाती थी चिड़िया, वो आवाज़ निकालती थी और आंटी को भगाते रहती थी. जब भी तभी आंटी उधर चली जाती थी. कभी कभी प्रेशर कुकर का जो विस्लिंग का साउंड है वो भी निकालती थी, तो आंटी को भागना पड़ता था. ओ माय गॉड, अभी तो मैं प्रेशर कुकर में कुछ सब्जी चावल रख के आई हूँ और आप ही कैसे विस्लिंग शुरू हो गया, भागना पड़ता था. कभी कभी वो क्या करती थी कि टेलीफोन का आवाज़ भी इमिटेट करती थी एंड उससे भी आंटी को भागना पड़ता था. तो शी वॉज वेरी टायर्ड विद दिस साउंड्स एंड विद द साउंड्स ऑफ दैट मैना. और एक जो था वो कौन था? मंगूस. मंगूस वो तो हमेशा चोरी करने का काम ही करता था. पड़ोसी के किचन में से हमेशा फूड चुरा के खाता था. तो उससे भी आंटी परेशान हो गई. कितना भी आंटी खाना दे, every time she used to stop the mongoose, don't go there, I am giving you food, have food from here only. No, who is going to listen? Mongoose is not going to listen. Always he is trying to steal food from neighbor's kitchen. So इससे भी आंटी परेशान हो गई थी. क्या मैंने दोनों को रखा, दोनों मुझे परेशान कभी कर रहे, कभी वो मैना मेरे को दौड़ा रही है फालतू का वो डोर बजिंग करके, और मैं बेवकूफ़ बन जाती हूँ, इधर उधर भागते रहती हूँ, टेलीफोन का आवाज़ निकालती रहती है, जैसे प्रेशर कुकर की विस्लिंग का आवाज़ निकालती रहती है. सोचो हालत कैसा हो गया आंटी का. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट शी गॉट वेरी टायर्ड. तो she didn't say anything to that Veena because she was her niece. Okay, so next. So that was the problem. Now we'll come to know in our next video what else were there, what else or what were the ideas afterwards she faced problem with the ideas of Veena. That will come to know. Okay, and for today this much only. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye. Go through properly. Okay, bye.